Ryan with Smokin Brothers. I'm here today to introduce a new accessory that me and my family have been working on for some time. Really excited about it because we really do feel like it's a game changer for the pellet grill industry, because not only does it work on our grills, it works on a wide variety of pellet grills that are out there, and it solves one major issue with the pellet grill: the high heat. But first of all, I want to say thank you, because you guys have given us a lot of great feedback over the time that we've been throwing the teasers out there, giving us some great ideas to throw back at our R&D department to let them go working on some things, some new ideas that you guys have given us. So what we have is called the HeatWave. It's a Smokin Brothers HeatWave. What it does, it creates a high temp heat coming across your grid surface. It already uses what your pellet grill creates, captures it, and throws it right across the grid surface instead of letting it go all the way up to the top. This does a lot of things. It heats up the grid surface really well, and then also gives it a nice solid wave of heat coming across, of high temp heat across your grid surface. It allows you to sear steaks, explode brats. You can actually put char on some pork chops, pork steaks, get that nice charred flavor that some people think that you're missing with a pellet grill. It's an accessory that stands alone by itself. And what I mean by that is it does not compromise anything that a pellet grill was purchased for originally. When you buy a pellet grill, you don't want flare-ups. But yet there are some manufacturers that, to try to achieve this process, they created an open flame option. Well, when you have an open flame, you create a problem for flare-ups. With this HeatWave, there's no problem for flare-ups because there's no open flame. And you get the high temperatures of what an open flame will give you, and you also get the high heat that an open flame may give you without the chance of flare-ups. So you don't have to stand there with a cup of water throwing on your food while you're cooking. The other thing I like about it, you don't need to add a cast iron pan to help get that extra sear in, to help get that heat across the whole entire steak. That air temperature coming across there is going to do enough of that for you, and the grid marks that your original grids are going to give are going to be awesome and amazing. You're going to love it. Some other accessories that are out there, they cause you to take things apart and move things and open up your grill with parts of the grill maybe sitting outside of your grill while you're cooking. This doesn't have it. It uses everything that's already utilized by your grill and just adds to it. It's an accessory, so you don't have to take anything out of your grill to make it work. The most important thing I really like about this grill accessory that we have, the HeatWave is made right here in Southeast Missouri. It's locally made here in the US out of stainless steel. This is something that we're very proud of, just like how we make our grills. We make our grills here in Southeast Missouri as well. That's the one thing our family has always prided itself on, is where we make our products. Now, what you're going to get when you receive your HeatWave from a local dealer or from us, you're going to receive two HeatWaves to start with, one for the front of your grill and one for the back of your grill. Now, we do have little holes on the bottom base part of the HeatWave. What that does, it allows you to have a hook. If you have a hook on the side of your grill, you can hang them right there. And then that way they're out of the way while you're cooking. They can store down below in the bottom of your grill if you want while you're cooking, so they're out of the way. But also that's why we created that little hole there. You're also going to receive a brochure that talks about Smokin Brothers, our pellets, our accessories, everything with it. And most importantly, you're going to receive a little HeatWave card. The HeatWave card is important because we want to see what you create. There's so many different things that you can create now that you've turned your pellet grill into a high temperature cooking apparatus. So you want to, anytime you throw this up on social media, put hashtag SBHeatWave. This will allow us to see what you guys are posting up there. I can't wait to see what you guys do, from breads, from pizzas, from steaks. It's not just for steaks. There's a lot of things that you can do with these HeatWaves, and I'm excited to see what you guys create. Now, how to buy. Now, we have several dealers that have received HeatWaves already. They're going to be available for purchase shortly. You can find out your local dealer has them by going to our website, smokinbrothers.com. When you log on to smokinbrothers.com, click on dealer locator, type in your zip code, and it'll read out who your closest dealers are. You can contact them. Hopefully they have the HeatWaves in stock for you. If not, you can always order online. We'll ship directly to your door if need be. So from our family to your family, we appreciate everything you've done to help support Smokin Brothers. And remember, hashtag SBHeatWave.